Welcome to my channel.
How to set up Netgear Extender as an access point. Netgear Extender access point setup is a process of configuring a Netgear wireless range extender to work as an access point. This setup allows the extender to connect to the main router and create a new wireless network. Connect the Netgear Extender power cable to an electrical outlet. Wait for the power light to remain solid green. Set the slide switch on Netgear Extender to the access point position. Using the Cat5 LAN cable, connect the Netgear Extender to your existing router. Turn on your laptop or computer. Go to Settings, and then look for Wi-Fi names like Netgear 2.4 and Netgear 5G. Open a browser such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Type www.mywifi.ext.net or IP address 192.168.1.250 into the address bar. Now, carefully follow the instructions on the screen. Once completed, you will see that the Netgear Wi-Fi extender has been successfully connected as an access point.
Thanks for watching.